Hey guys, it's Arslan here. Welcome to Smart Crypto Trader Club YouTube channel. Or if you're watching on YouTube, welcome as well. As always, this video is gonna be on Bitcoin analysis, technical analysis, because I update every day almost on my Steemit. If you're not following, make sure do follow. The links are gonna be under this video. I'm always updating every day. I'm been updating in the text and everything about Bitcoin technical analysis. If you see, I've been updating with the chart, past chart, and writing there what's expected, what's gonna happen after what. But now I'm gonna do video. I'm gonna explain you each and everything step by step. My technical analysis, I'm not saying it, but you can go to my Steemit and they will say that it's very simple for a newbie as well to understand the way I explain, because I explain everything very simply. I don't use technical words or anything. Like almost no buyer here, like volume is super low, and RSI explained the what will happen if it breaks down. This was yesterday chart. I mean, not today, not yesterday. It's old, it's 2 days old video post. So that's what I'm trying to say. I've been updating always, so make sure do follow me here. The Facebook group link gonna be down in the video. I have 15,000 members in Facebook group, and yeah, if you're watching on YouTube, the links are still gonna be under the video. So let's go with the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin basically, let's go GDEX, because I always follow GDEX charts. There's a reason why I follow GDEX chart. Okay, I'll share with you, because this is a real USD and not a USDT tether. In like we have in Bitfinex, Bittrex, and all others. I don't prefer them because people can only sell there to rebuy cheap, and so many panic selling goes there, and that's why I really prefer this one. This one is much more accurate, and yeah. And yeah, so basically in this one we had a spike of because of the news. I did a video this morning. Actually, I forgot myself. I did a video on this on the news. The news just came today. I did a video on that, but I'm gonna do again because I saw a pattern that you should know. I want you to do this quickly video. We had pretty good volume today, okay? Because I saw these walls were breaking so quickly. I knew like this is a news effect. News effect doesn't last long, okay? We've been making lower lows pattern, okay? Our next support is at this area here, a weak support. Let's see what we're gonna happen. But the main support at 4 hour, if we'll see, we have here at 13,400, and then we have as long as we hold this level, what is it, this level, for 12,800 roughly, you can say, we need to hold that level, actually this trend, because this trend comes from, let me just go 1 hour. This is one of the trend that hopefully can make Bitcoin bounce some. Okay, 1 second, because this trend line comes from the back and goes on top. Sorry, this one. Okay, this one goes from here. Is the market gonna react or not? I'm not sure. That's why I just draw I mean, sorry. If I think the market is gonna react on that, I do try to draw this trend line, because I learned this by watching others. Because if you watched my trailer of my YouTube channel trailer, that I said I've been learning the most time. I watch so much others doing it. I mean, don't copy others, but I see if the market really reacts on those videos. This is the trailer, and market does react on those trend line that goes in the channel. This was a channel before. This was a channel. You see market been reacting on this and then broke. So this was a resistance. That resistance becomes support, and that's why I use those trend line, because this was a support. We had $10,000 bounce here, and the market goes support here. Can you not see here? The daily candles go support here, and that's the reason I use it. Okay, that's it. That's wanted to share. Other than that, we need to break this level, 14,500 to 15,000, as I said in my last video, and create a new high here and close daily there. If we close daily here, this is gonna be very good sign for Bitcoin and confirmation that we're going high. Yeah, that's the, I think I shared already the most in my in the morning video, so there's nothing too much to share about. This is too far. I don't think so Bitcoin is going to go 10,000, but anything is possible. We broke 50 MA moving average. The last time we broke that, it was around 4,000 here. Okay, we broke, we recovered. We hopefully recovered the same way here as well. We need a strong news to break that, but strong news effect is short, and because of that, the traders mostly trade on GDAX. They are day traders, or they are swing traders. Yeah, they doesn't care about BTC like we do. We are holders and all those, because we trade here against USD, not BTC to other currency. So that's what they do. Okay, so basically, I was looking at low time frame, 1 hour. Of course, short time frame is for short trading. We broke that trend. Okay, we broke this trend here. We tried to get the support. It couldn't manage it. And if we, for example, try to get here, but still it's just testing the fib level. The Bitcoin reacts on fib levels the most I've seen. Okay, if you don't believe me, look at this. We got reacted here. 1 second. Here it got support at this level. Okay, and then we had support, resistance at this level, resistance, close to resistance, and broke. And again we had support at this level. This fib level is a very strong fib level right now. I mean, and look at this fib level reacting here as resistance, and right now we broke this, and it touching that resistance level and pulling back, like it touched and pulling back just from there. So these type of levels you need to see. And I've been using and trading Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin USDT a lot. That's why I know Bitcoin reacts so much on fib levels, and has been doing amazing job with fib levels. If you are good in this, trust me, you're gonna make money. And you don't really need anything else. If you know the support, resistance, basic, and fib level, you don't need trend lines, nothing like that. You can make money, because if you buy this breakout here, you can move money and make money till there, and then sell it, and then wait for the breakout. If doesn't happen, go rebuy it down there, whatever it is. So yeah, that's how it works. We had huge spike here, support, but didn't had much there. We making lower lows. That's a sign of we can break a low, and I really don't want to see us breaking this trend line, this support. This is one of the support. We may get support here at this area. At this area around 12,500 is the last support. If we break this, we can go easily to 11,000. Okay, easily to 11,000, and we may get some support this trend line. We basically here, if we break this, we may get a wick here and the bounce from this support, and I'm pretty sure 100% there will be a bounce, small or big, unless this is very bad news that comes and breaks it. There will be a bounce for sure to test it again, the resistance, and then we'll get a break, and this is going to be 11,000 next stop, as a fib level says here as well. And it's basically a fib level, and this support area here is some support in this area, and then we'll see at 10,000 if we go there or not. If we do, this is going to be disaster if we break it, but I don't think so. This won't be easy to break 10,000 at all, because there's so much going on in Bitcoin, and so many new so much new money coming in Bitcoin, and we have few forks as well. Let's see some news on Bitcoin as well. And right, there's some events going on. There's some what else is going on? Let me see. From fork create FOMO. Okay, fork. So we have BTC events here, events, conference. There was a BTC fork. Okay, London. Okay, we have hard fork at 20th. Bitcoin smart hard fork. Okay, it's fake, says fake. I don't know. Interest is, I know it's real. Okay, this one blockchain connect. I'm not sure about that. Anyone can put here, so I wouldn't believe them, but there are some folk I know, I'm sure about them. There's interest, there's private is gonna be folk with Z Classic team. So the private is anonymous, like a privacy coin, Bitcoin, the fork, super conference, and yeah, a few things that slowly get the volume for Bitcoin, and mostly they are more holder. If there wasn't a allow selling, we would have been below 10k by now. And yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to share about Bitcoin. Just hold, okay, hold for now. If you're holding long term, don't just give up so quickly. It's been doing pretty well so far, and we may run from this channel. Okay, this is the channel as I was talking about. If we come to again test 11,000, and we can bounce and we can run between this channel here. We may test again 19,000 here when this trend line is here, and we get a bounce. Very possible, but we can make a double tap before going down again, a downtrend. And you guys know anything is possible. We've seen everything in this market. If you've been long enough, last year was crazy. We've seen everything, but things can change. So it doesn't mean last year happened, it will happen same thing right now. But so far we're holding, but we're making a patterns that are not great. What we can do is if we don't break this, we're still bullish, okay, because we made a higher high and then coming down and testing a support. If, as I said, if we don't break this, goes up from here, that's a quite bullish sign, because next stop can be around 18,000 roughly here. How do I know this? 1 second. It's already done there, so it's actually a fib level that I removed already. So that was fib level to let me know where the next bounce is gonna be. Okay, from here to here I need to get a fib level, and to tell me around this area there's gonna be again one more resistance. That, yeah, but there's not much resistance here. But I don't know why we had very low support at 17,000. People want to buy cheap, and I heard so many videos people buying here at this level. But it's just accumulation. It can be getting ready for next run. It's just whales trying to accumulate as much as they can for next run. So you never know. It's so hard to predict sometime at these situations. The pattern says bullish. So many times that happen. So many indicators saying Bitcoin is bullish, but it just goes other side. Unexpected. The news comes and takes it other side, and we can't do anything unless we have stop losses and we are protected. That's why you need to learn technical analysis and know how to tackle the things, and what to do in those situations when you don't know what's happening and what is possible to happen. Anyways guys, thank you for being here, thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe, like, share if you're watching a Steam or YouTube, and make sure to follow me there as well. It's a great platform. I uploaded a video about ADA Cardano. I made almost, if we say 11 Steam dollar, each Steam dollar worth is $6 plus. So I made around, in profit after taking everything, as $50 plus I made from this in 2 hours. So isn't that great? I have only 400 following. I had some random votes because of yeah, here and there and things like this. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.